everybody, thanks for coming by the channel. Hope you're all having a great fall day out there. Today we're going to do Allure versus Boxycharm. I know, it doesn't seem like a natural fit. Like, is it fair to pit this because this is full size? But here's my thinking. This is a $15 box. This is a $21 box. Actually, you can get it down to $20 if you pay for several months at a time. So they're really closer together than the $10 box competition. So it seems like a fairly good battle to me. Allure versus Boxycharm. Okay, so I haven't gotten into them yet. I have opened them both so we can get through this because I don't want it to get too long going through two boxes. We'll do the Allure first. Glasses. Allure box, yeah. So let's get this thing unboxed. And I'm gonna open the book. Try not to look too much so that as we go along, I can tell you about each of the products we have in here. All right, first out of the box, it's pretty chock full of box, is the Caution Hourglass Mascara. Very cool. Okay, so it says this mascara gives my lashes a quick lift and soft fluttery volume that opens my eyes. And then just like that, they are more awake. Who couldn't use more awake eyes? Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh, I like the brush. Next, we have the BKR Paris Water Balm. It is a glossy lip treatment. Okay, it says, the pale pink tint, the simple clear pot. This is quite possibly the chicest little balm I've ever seen. Okay, well, chic little balm. Oh, it's going to be even tougher getting my little finger in there. I don't even think you can probably see it. Yep, it's balm. They tell no lies. Next up, I have a Caudalie Vinopure Serum. Hope you're getting that. And it says, I was worried this beta hydroxy acid serum would irritate my skin. I always worry about that because I have very sensitive skin. It's been so dry. My chin is peeling. But then it sank in so quickly and felt so hydrating, I didn't layer a moisturizer on top. I don't see that happening in my life, but I do like anything that gives me extra moisture this time of year. So let's see if it's... Oh, it's like a serum liquid. It has a nice little herbally smell. Rubs in, I don't know if you got, my lighting is horrible today. Rubs in just like it's like you're watching me rub water on my hand. It's nice, I like it. All right, we have a Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Clay Cleanser. Very cool. I'm not sure this is for me because I think that that cleanser is for normal to oily skin, and I am, especially this time of year, I have crazy dry skin. Let's see what it says. The florally scented cleanser has a liquid consistency that foams a touch and is infused with detoxifying clay. Sucks out oil and grime from your pores, which makes it ideal for those with normal to oily skin. Yeah, I won't be using this. Yeah, it's sealed. I'm not going to take it off so I can pass it along. I'm kind of putting together a giveaway box, so I don't know. Seem to be picking up subscribers slowly, so I'm thinking about setting a number like, oh, 25 subscribers giveaway, but I'll get back to you. All right, I also have the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid. I have had this in a few boxes, and I actually, of course I dropped it. I'm back. I have actually used it and was very happy with it. My skin was really soft the next day. But it has licorice root in it, and I tend to be allergic to things with licorice root, so I'm too hesitant to keep using it. So this will also get passed along. But if you don't have licorice root issues, but you have sensitive skin, I did not find this to be a problem, and I woke up with such nice, soft skin the next morning. So definitely worth a try. I also have an Ultra Repair Cream from Fab, First Aid Beauty. This is a good size too. This is a 1 ounce container. Let's see what it says about it. I have this, I use it on my body. I know they say you can use it on your face or your body, but I got big pots of it when it was a special on QVC, but I use it on my body, not my face. I'm so sensitive. I did not have luck with it on my face, but I think that's what it's meant to be used for. Majorly Hydrating Shea Butter. squalene, and ceramides. This moisturizing cream is about as rich and coddling as they come. But I will use it. It's a perfect little size to go in my purse and keep my hands soft all winter long. Seriously, fumble fingers today. Wow. Okay. And lastly, oh look, it's a pretty little YSL, a nice little Yves Saint Laurent lip in, not gonna happen even with my glasses on. Really little words. Let's see if the nice lady on the book helps us out and tells us what color they sent us. Yves Saint Laurent Tatuage Couture Matte Liquid Lip Stain. The matte stain is more opaque than most, so you get a wash of color with serious oomph. The colors, tawnies, berries, and reds, are perfection. I truly don't know what I got. I, of course, can tell you, judging from the picture, that I got the darkest one. But let's see. I'll swatch it. We'll see, because I will definitely use this, but I'm already lipped up. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see how it... Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, I will definitely use that color. Doesn't smell like anything, so perfect. So, yay. Okay, so that's it for the Allure box. So, in review, we have the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser, the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum, the BK Balm, the Hourglass Caution Mascara, this is a big box, the Yves Saint Laurent lips, and hold on, I'm back, the Ultra Repair Cream from Fab. That is a very good box. All right, $15, all of those wonderful things. So that's a pretty good little box. Let's dig into Boxycharm. Okay, I cut this beforehand. It is looking to pounce open. So let's get in here and see what we've got for full sizes. All right, I've seen most of these because I can't stay off the internet. I just love it out there. So this is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So I'm gonna take this out because supposedly you get 2 of these with it. And what you do is you take out the mask and you put the goo all over your face, and then you put the mask over that. And then after it dries, you peel off the mask, and there you go. I have 2 of these nice little black squares. Well, this should be very interesting. I have to admit, I'm quite intrigued. It's actually very soft. So we have 2 of those that you put this nice mask under. It's sealed. Let's get a little bit out here. Yep, it's just a black mask. You do that all over your face, and you put that on, and then you peel it off, and supposedly the mask comes with it. And it's 2 of the little, whoop, I'm telling you, I'm dropping everything. 2 of the little black masks come with it. So that's very exciting. That's kind of fun. Next we have the IT Superhero Mascara, which I have used before. I use a lot of the IT product. It comes in this pretty little thing. And it has, I love this wand because it's a nice thin wand like I was just talking about. I love a thin wand, especially if I'm doing my lower lashes. Makes it so much easier. I totally wrecked my hair with that mask. Okay, next we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Mother. That's pretty. I think it's coming across more burgundy. It looks, in real life, it looks like it's more pinky. Let's get in here and see what we've got. It's very pretty. That's very pretty. I will definitely wear that. Yay, I saw much, much darker lips out there, and I was afraid I would get that one because I seem to always get the super dark lips, and I have such pale skin that when it gets too dark, it gets too dramatic. Okay, next we have the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Farmacy. Very cool. I use the IT, speaking of IT, I use the IT balm to take off my makeup at night, but I think this is That smells really nice. I think this is meant to be worked the same. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is nice. It feels really hard, but when you touch your hand to it, see, it almost liquefies into a balm right away. I am very excited to try it. They say this is a full size, which I take them at their word, but it's 1.7 fluid ounces. My It Balm is, wow, at least twice this size. But this smells really nice. It Balm does not. And last but not least, I have a palette. It is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. All right, it's actually a face palette, not just an eye palette. Look at the pretty colors. Okay, I peeled the papers off so we can swatch at some of this. Very pretty. These are really nice. Got, this is, I guess, the highlighter. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see a little sparkle in there. And then this is Hidden Secret, I'm guessing to be meant to be used as a blush. Very nice. That looks like it might work. I will probably, this is called Enchantment. This is probably a bronzer for me. It's probably not meant to be, but I can probably, it might be too rusty, but you know what? That would be a great transition color for eyes. And then I don't see this in my life unless it's I can use it as an eye color. It's very nice. They're all very pretty colors. I like them a lot. All right, let's do that with the eyeshadows. I'm gonna switch hands here. All right, the top row, we've got the blue, nope. The brown, the light blue. Oh, that doesn't have much. Let's see if we can swatch that darker. See how it's barely showing up like a silver? And it's partially my lighting, but it's also not showing up. And this is the darker blue. Okay, and then the bottom row, running out of fingers. We have that taupe. It's kind of an olivey taupe. That's pretty. This is kind of a purpley glitter. Oh, I like that. And last but not least, it's kind of a charcoaly glitter. Very pretty. So they're all very pretty. I like the colors. Very cool. So that is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. Face, eyes, cute little mirror. Very nice. End of BoxyCharm. So, in review, we have in the Boxy Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, the Farmacy Green Envy Cleanser, the Kat Von D Lips, the Superhero Mascara, and the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask with my face lingerie to use. So, okay, so that's that. And then we have the Allure box. This is another tough one. You know what? I just love getting the boxes so much. It's always hard. I feel like I have to side with BoxyCharm because a full palette, a full cleanser, a full mascara. I got a lip color that I'll use. So that goes a long way to value in the box for me. And then the masks, which I will definitely use. So that's fun. I love everything in Allure. I think it is well worth the $15. If I could only keep one of these boxes, I will admit though, I would keep the BoxyCharm because I want to play with that eye palette really bad. I want to use the lip. I want to use the cleanser. So that wins for me. That said, I love this Allure box. Again, we got the Fab. We got 2 Sunday Rileys. We got a little trial size mascara, a little YSL, a little Caudalie, and a little Balm. I mean, that's a good box for $15. So both good boxes, but in my way of thinking, BoxyCharm wins. What can I tell you? Oh, I signed up for the BoxyCharm Luxe for December. So I cannot wait to see what that is. BoxyCharm is $21 to do the BoxyCharm Luxe. They also charge you another $28.99. But instead of being like, I think somebody said this box was valued at like $104. That one's more than $240 or something. It's a great bargain and it's fun. I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Tell me which box you want. Tell me which of these you would want to try. Thanks for coming by. Please hit subscribe or give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you when the next box comes in. Bye, guys.